There are numerous online resources and coding tutorials available that can support your self-study in software engineering. Here are some popular ones. 1. freecodinglessons.org. freecodinglessons offers a comprehensive curriculum covering web development, responsive design, algorithms, data structures, and more. It also provides hands-on coding challenges and projects to practice your skills. 2. Codecademy.com. Codecademy offers interactive coding lessons in various programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, Hummel, or CS, and more. It provides step-by-step guidance and exercises to help you learn and practice coding concepts. 3. Coursera Course Report. Coursera offers a wide range of online courses, including computer science and software engineering topics. Universities like Stanford and Princeton offer programming and computer science courses on this platform. You can enroll in individual courses or pursue a specialization. 4. edX. edX is another platform that offers online courses from leading universities. You can find computer science courses, programming, language courses, and software development courses to enhance your skills. 5. Udemy.com. Udemy provides a vast collection of online courses on software development, web development, and programming languages. The courses are created by industry experts and cover various skill levels, from beginner to advanced. 6. Khan Academy.org. Khan Academy offers programming courses, particularly focused on JavaScript and Hummel or CS. The tutorials are beginner-friendly and include interactive coding exercises. 7. The Odin Project. The Odin Project is a free, open-source curriculum for learning web development. It covers front-end and back-end development, databases, and other essential skills. 8. YouTube. YouTube hosts a wealth of coding tutorials and educational channels. Channels like Traversy Media, The Coding Train, and freecodinglessons.org provide high-quality programming tutorials, walkthroughs, and coding projects. Remember to practice what you learn by working on coding projects and exercises. Building personal projects or contributing to open-source projects on platforms like GitHub can provide valuable hands-on experience. Additionally, documentation and official websites for programming languages and frameworks such as Python, JavaScript, React, or Django are excellent resources for learning in-depth concepts and best practices. It's always a good idea to explore multiple resources and find the ones that resonate with your learning style and goals. Happy coding!